Hi guys! I'm so overwhelmed by the feedback I got from my last workout vlog. So for today's video, samahan nyo na naman ako ulit sa isa na namang nakakasweat but satisfying workout session. I know somehow you already have an idea what's my workout for today. You guys got it right. We're gonna do chest workout. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! So let's begin with the incline bench press. This workout targets the upper pecs. Lift the barbell above your chest by extending your arms. Then bring it down. Syempre, huwag kalimutang huminga while doing the exercise, So we're gonna do 12 reps, 3 sets here. On my second workout is another incline ulit. Pero this time, dumbbells naman gagamitin natin. Also, of course, this workout hits the upper pecs. Again, 12 reps, 3 sets here. Let's move on! Move on? Buti pa sa pag-workout, ang bilis lang mag-move on, no? Sa love, ang hirap. Tara na nga. So my third workout is barbell bench press. Generally, bench press is an exercise that can strengthen the muscles of the upper body, including pectorals, arms, shoulders, and triceps. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Another bench press, which is dumbbells bench press, because the more you hit the pectorals, the more they get defined. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Whew, I'm getting more exhausted. I can feel my chest started to get more pumped and pushed. So let's go to another machine for the chest that still hits more on upper part of the chest, but at the same time, it feels like the core is also engaging. After this, diretso na agad sa seated chest press. Of course, we have to do 12 reps, 3 sets here. And for the last program for the chest, I'm gonna do a combined workout. Means magkakasunod na programs. Medyo nakakapagod to, pero mas engaging, intense, at higit sa lahat, nakakasave ng time. Hitting 2 birds in a stone baga. So I begin with chest fly, 12 sets, and after neto, diretso na agad tayo sa dips, 12 sets din, and 3 sets here. Done with a chest workout. Pero dahil marami pa akong time, parang sa mahal ko, I always make time, Susundo tayo ng triceps. Let's go! Let's start with cable pushdown. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, reverse. Kailangan balance. Parang love, dapat nare-reciprocate yung effort mo, By the way, 12 reps, 3 sets here. Another cable triceps extension. Parang ako sa kanya, willing to extend everything to make him happy, 12 reps, 3 sets here. Hi, kapoy kaayo, uy. So let's finish this with a triceps machine. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Almost complete na ang workout natin for today. At syempre, time to flex. Diretso lang hanggang matapos. Nakakapagod mag-workout, pero hindi dahil napagod tayo, titigil na tayo. Lahat naman ng pinaghihirapan may magandang resulta. Parang sa love o sa buhay, mapapagod lang pero hindi susuko. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong upload. Salamat!